everyone, and welcome back to Hampton Your House, where we're all about bringing the coastal Hamptons vibe to your house. My name is Belle and I'm so happy you're here. I would love for you to subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button below so we can keep in touch, and hit the bell so that you receive notifications about new videos. Today we're here to solve the problem of all the books, pens and devices that may or may not be piling up on your nightstand, aka bedside table. How can we keep these neat and organised while still being functional and stylish, and on a budget? Let's have a look. We're going to need a 4-litre ice cream container, some material, a measuring tape, ruler, scissors, spray adhesive, glue gun and a pencil. First, measure 3 centimetres down on your ice cream container and then cut all the way around so it's even. You could cut up higher if you prefer, just make sure you cut off the top edge bit. Then measure from the inside base to top, down the other side, across the bottom and up and over the other side to the base on the other side, and then add 4 centimetres to the measurement. Get your material and measure out a square in that size, then cut it out. Give the material a quick iron to make sure it's flat. Try to pick a simple pattern for your material. I've opted for this Hamptons Coastal Inspired navy and white stripe. Place your container in the centre of the material, then get a ruler, line it up between the corner of the container and the corner of your square of material, then draw a 3 centimetre diagonal line at that angle, coming out from the corner of the box. Measure a square coming out from the corner of each line and cut them out so your material ends up looking like a cross. When you've done that, cut along each 3 centimetre line. In a well-ventilated area, get out your spray adhesive and spray the middle section, then place your container exactly in the centre. Spray one of the sides and quickly smooth it onto the container, then do the opposite side in the same way. For the remaining 2 sides, spray your adhesive along one edge and fold it in to form a neat seam, then do the same with the other edge. Then spray the whole lot and smooth it onto the container. To make the base of the container, get one of the squares you cut out earlier and cut a small triangle off each of the 4 corners. Using a glue gun or another type of glue, fold over and glue down a small seam on every edge. Working quickly, glue your square into the bottom of the container and smooth it down. There you have it, a very professional looking Hamptons Inspired organiser. If you're not a big reader, you can always use this to store craft supplies, toys, socks, face washes, or anything really. The great thing about this container is that you can fit about 15 books in it, but you could also put your phone in there or a tablet, and you can stick pens right down the back out of the way, so everything stays neat and tidy, but they are also very easy to reach, and you can easily pull the whole thing towards you to get something if you need to. So I hope you found this DIY helpful. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.